Top 5 Benefits of Castor Oil for Face. Welcome to Healthline Champions, your go-to YouTube channel for empowering health information and transformative remedies. We are dedicated to championing your health and well-being, bringing you the latest insights, expert interviews, and practical solutions to help you thrive. Whether you're searching for natural remedies, nutritional advice, or tips for a healthy lifestyle, we've got you covered. Today, we are going to explore the top 5 benefits of using castor oil for your face. Did you know that castor oil is a natural moisturizer that can help hydrate your skin? Want a radiant glow? Castor oil can help improve the texture and tone of your skin. Struggling with acne? Castor oil has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off those pesky breakouts. Say goodbye to dry skin. Castor oil is a great remedy for dry patches and flakiness. Looking to reduce inflammation? Castor oil can soothe irritated skin and calm down redness. Have puffy eyes in the morning? A little bit of castor oil can help reduce puffiness and under-eye circles. You can also use castor oil to help promote hair growth on your brows and lashes. Double the benefits. And last but not least, castor oil can even help protect your skin from harmful UV rays. So there you have it, the top 7 benefits of using castor oil for your face. Thank you for joining us on this incredible health journey. If you found this video valuable and want to stay connected with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of health remedy solutions, inspiring stories, and expert guidance to support your wellness goals. Together, let's champion health, empower ourselves, and create a community dedicated to living our best, healthiest lives.